Israeli communities in the south of Israel got possibly one of the worst wake-up calls this morning, screaming air raid sirens when terrorists in Gaza fired a volley of 6 rockets on sleeping civilians. The IDF responded with airstrikes in Gaza. A rocket attack on sleeping civilians is bad enough, of course. However, there's a few things I want to point out to you. Firstly, the timing. The rocket attack came shortly after 5, which means mothers, fathers, children sleeping in bed. And communities in the south has 15 seconds to make it to a bomb shelter before the rocket starts falling. Now that gives you 15 seconds to wake up, orientate yourself, get yourself out of bed, get the children, the animals, get everyone ready and into a bomb shelter, slam the door shut before the rocket hits. And that's nearly impossible, and that's why the terrorists choose exactly that time. The second thing is context. The rocket attack this morning comes amidst thousands of incendiary devices, waves of incendiary balloons being sent from Gaza over the border into Israel to ignite upon impact. And over the past 2 weeks, it sparked thousands of fires, burning up thousands of acres of Israeli land. Of course, Israel responded to these arson attacks with retaliatory airstrikes. In fact, over the past 2 weeks, Israel struck targets in Gaza nearly every day. And this morning's retaliatory strike is actually the second one of today. The second piece of context is that Israel is facing attacks on multiple fronts. Earlier this week, another Iran-backed terror group, Hezbollah, attacked Israeli soldiers in the north of Israel, and Israel responded again with retaliatory airstrikes, this time in Lebanon. What makes this so significant is it's the first time that Israel struck Hezbollah targets in Lebanon since the Second Lebanon War in 2006, which makes it the first strike there in 14 years. So with everything going on, with Israel being attacked on multiple fronts, we urge you to pray for the peace of Jerusalem. I'm Ilse Strauss, bringing you this breaking news direct from Israel.